Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can make stats private in Fortnite, so nobody on tracker. Basically, there will be no ability to look to your stats. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, load up your game, then you should see similar window like I'm seeing here right now. I'm using computer, so I just need to press the skip button to open up settings, but if you're using PS4 or PS5 controller, I believe it's options button. And then here you need to press on this icon, then you need to go to settings, then you need to go to this icon here that's named account, and then you need to scroll down until you see public game stats. And what you need to do here is to turn this option off and apply the changes. Right, so and yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.